let's go film it. Surprised they can fly as fast as they are with blueberries.
Williams Farm, blueberries.
Yeah, sandwich feel, you know. Anyway, 350 pound, full buckets, 586 pound. Both fields have the same. Oh, you guys get in on my spiel.
I'm
Both
here.
fields, this is 2-in-1 spiel here.
Yeah.
Both fields have the same kind of berries, so anywhere you want to go is fine. We have a little wagon here for a little one if you get tired to around with that, which is pretty handy.
It's pretty handy.
Yeah, like I said, full bucket, 5, maybe 6 pounds. If you want to pick more than that, I'll put it in a cooler for you. You can pick as much as you want. But you can't go wrong. Restroom up on the hill underneath the trees there, running water. Don't mean to brag. But I got cold water in the cooler, and other than that, have fun. Try to pick them all.
Cool, thanks, man.
If you pick them all, I can go fishing.
When we come back, we weigh in afterwards, right?
Yep.
How long has this farm been here?
We've been growing about 8 years, but we've only been doing the U-pick a few years because we were trying to do it commercially, but Dole fruit.
Oh, thanks.
Put it over, and that gives you both hands. Now, you. There you go.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's pretty
You
genius.
are ready.
So we're going blueberry picking.
He said that they tried to do commercial blueberry farm, but big companies like Dole kind of hard to compete with, so they started doing by the bucket.
I just stepped in an ant pile, by the way.
Good thing you're tough.
Yeah. All right, here we'll go in here. This looks like a good spot.
Oh, fun! It's all about the blood.
Co's about the plastic bag and the bucket. That's all he wants to do. Blueberries.
Blueberries, go! He's like, I don't eat
Cute.
blueberries. Get this beautiful shot of this blueberries. This is great. This is my first time blueberry picking. Never done it.
So many blueberries. That's good.
Blueberries that are really good, just kind of like you touch them and they fall to the ground because they're so ready to eat. So you kind of got to be careful. Daniel's eating all the blueberries again. I don't even think they're making it into the bucket. So we're here.
Good, huh, Koa?
We're here today supporting a local farm, the Williams Blueberry Farm. Now actually we can't even afford to buy blueberries at the grocery store because they're so expensive, the organic non-sprayed ones. So we're really stoked to be here because they're only $3.50 a pound and there's a plethora of them.
Plethora.
Right, Daniel? What else did we see today?
We saw a hawk, and there's about 3 trillion birds ready to pounce on all of these blueberries.
Not sure
And the
if
farmer
you guys can hear all the birds.
is randomly lighting off fireworks to scare them away. And it's pretty fun. Oh no, who turned out the light?
Hawk missed his chance, you know. So yeah, anytime you have a local garden that has something that you maybe can't grow at home, maybe you don't have property like us right now, and you know, it's always good to support the local farmers and gardeners.
Yep. Oh man, look at that. Look at all the birds attacking the blueberries over here.
They all came back. There's so many. All up in this tree waiting for him to run away. So this has been a really fun Sunday so far. Phil was a little hot. Okay, we're gonna do a firework now. Sorry, we were stoked.
We were waiting for you to do it.
In that case, I'm gonna let him have it again.
Yay, let's go film it. Yeah, they're having a
Surprised they
field
can
day.
fly as fast as they are with blueberries.
How many times a day do you do that?
Oh, probably about $10 worth of bottle rockets a day. Oh,
Yeah, I bet.
yeah, yeah, but
We saw a couple hawks come through and scare them out. But
yeah, oh yeah. I wish we could train them to come and do that.
yeah. Hey, we know a guy that has hawk. He has a trained hawk.
He would love to come
cool
out
is
here.
that?
If you want, we can bring him here and he would just have a field day.
What a stud! I need to do that.
Yeah.
His buddy has a
Ladies,
peregrine.
yeah.
Yeah,
They
exactly.
actually do that in the north with like strawberry fields and stuff. They have guys that go through and they chase off the birds and they just, you know.
What was the guy back in the dude back in the 70s that had the animal king of the jungle guy did that? He had,
gosh,
"Caw,"
yeah.
you know, the bird would come flying. Yeah, a little
How
bit.
long have you owned the farm?
Oh, been here about 20 years. The berries are about 8 years old, but they're trimmed back every year. All the growth you see is within the past 10 months to a year. We cut them back every year because the berries are only produced on new growth.
Right.
So a plant can get this big in 4 or 5 years, but we cut them back every year.
And you mentioned that you guys tried to do more of like a wholesale situation.
Yeah, initially, but it just didn't pan out. It got to where we'd lose money because the processing plant will kick out any red berries and they charge you to dispose of berries.
Seriously?
So we end up paying, $100 in fuel to drive our big truck over there and, losing money.
Right.
And it just, the bottom dropped out. We just got into it too late. And the big, like Dole Fruit and big companies, have 100-acre, 200-acre farms, and it priced all the mom and pop operations out of doing that. So,
Yeah, that's a shame.
well, we sell to a few small produce stands and stuff like that. But mainly, but we get to meet nice people like y'all. So this is
Yeah.
fun, I don't have to wish I went off and joined the carnival now.
Sure. Well, we really enjoyed our day, so
Awesome.
thank
We
you.
enjoy having you. Tell all your friends to come back.
We are, and yeah. What's your name?
My name's Tim. I'm Marvin's son, the owner.
Perfect. So
I
come
dug
see.
all these ditches and drove all these stakes and helped glue all the joints in the irrigation together. And I thought he was nuts at first, but it turned out pretty cool.
Yeah, this is great. You've done a great job, and whoever sees this video will come to your farm. Thank
He
you.
made the whole barn's made out of reclaimed stuff. The only thing new
Oh,
is
yeah?
the concrete. All the rebar in the dome is reclaimed rusty old rebar that was laying around. The only thing we paid for was concrete.
And what do you use the dome for?
That's his house.
Oh yeah, he lives in there.
Yeah.
We were just saying, oh, that must be so cool to live in a house like that.
It's well, just insulation factor, but you know, you never have to worry about a hurricane, tornado, fire,
Right.
anything. You never have to put a roof on it. You don't have to paint it. It'll be there forever. It's concrete and steel.
We need more buildings that are here
Well, you see
forever.
these people like in Oklahoma, you know, a tornado come through and obliterate their house, and
Right.
well, yeah, we're gonna rebuild, and then they build another stick house out there on a plane. You
Good
know?
job.
Yeah.
I also saw you use the old billboards for things.
Yeah, he covers all his boats and stuff.
It's awesome.
Listen.
There you go.
What we got here?
Good job.
You picked a lot today.
Yeah. Start me off. $8.50.
Yeah, that is a good deal.
Yeah,
Any-
they're $5 for a pint at Winn-Dixie right now. So
Yeah. You guys are a steal.
then you can pick your own. So you get to pick the ones you want. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yay, we got our haul.
Thank you.
Bye.
Ah. Super cute.
Say it again.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our trip to the Williams Blueberry Farm. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. We do weekly vlog updates, so if you like us, we'd love for you to join along on our swell journey.
Thanks, guys.